Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now it's a very different video. It's like a vlogging kind of style video. Literally, I just decided right now for you guys to get unready with me and kind of a little bit of my nighttime routine. I've been really wanting to film a video like this in a really long time, but I never ever thought of doing it. So today is the day, and I can't wait for you guys to see kind of like my nighttime kind of unready when I literally, well, before the quarantine, when I used to go out, used to literally do when I would go out and I'll get unready and stuff. But I'm not gonna show you guys like the full nighttime routine because I want it to be like a separate video, like kind of like a nighttime skincare routine. But also I did record the look that you guys see right now. I got you guys, don't worry. I really loved how the look turned out. You guys are gonna love this video. But right now, that's why there's like my light set up, like as you guys can see right there in the mirror, my lights are set up. But let me show you guys my mess right now. Like, look at this. I got some pomade here, I got like gel hair stuff, my freaking coffee that I didn't finish, and I have like a whole bunch of things here. Obviously the life of a YouTuber, and then I have my bag because I have like, oh my god, look at the mess back there, all my lippies in there. So yeah, and I also wanted to mention, you guys, can y'all believe that I got this bottle right here for $2 at the 99-cent store? I cannot believe how cheap it was. Like, I was like, what? And you know how like right now they're very popular, like, I kid you not guys, I do not drink water at all. Like, I forget to drink water and I get really bad migraines, really bad headaches throughout the day, and that I feel like it's because I don't drink water. Like, I'm dehydrated, and obviously like your brain needs some water. Gotta drink your H2O. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. Maybe I'll like show you guys how I clean like this whole setup. If you guys didn't know, I do film inside my room, and yeah, you guys are probably gonna see right now how messy my room is, but I don't care. I'm just gonna show you guys. Sorry, don't mind that mess right there. I need to do laundry, as you can tell. So I recently got this from, I think it's kind of like a Home Goods, but no, it's Tuesday Morning. Yeah, and isn't it so cute? I keep like my brow stuff here, my eyeliners, my mascaras, and extra brushes. And then a lot of you guys asked me what fan this is, and this is, I got this at Amazon, so I will list the link down below too, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I feel like I should name this vlog Get Unready With Me Quarantine Edition, because this is literally what I do, what I've been doing when I finish filming. This is what I literally do, like exactly what you guys see right now. So I went to Target today and I bought these 3 things. I tried to control myself, so I just bought 3 things. So the first one I got, obviously, my toothbrush, and then I got body lotion, which is the Soap and Glory Righteous Butter. Oh my god, you guys, this is probably the most butteriest body cream ever, so that's why I buy it. Like, I go through them like crazy. I think this is like my 5th one this year. but it's so good, so I really recommend it. And then I got this little acrylic box, and it was only $3. $3, you guys. You cannot beat that. And what I like about it too is that take this off and then put it back on. It's a big mess. I need to get rid of a lot of things, but this is my whole situation here. But yeah, look. And I also installed like a little light so I can find it easier. But I'm just gonna get the products that I'm gonna be using today. So I'm gonna be using this Pixi Retinol Eye Cream. I'm also going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I'm also going to be taking my black kombucha, my fresh sugar scrub. It's a must. Oh, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of my oil because your girl loves her oils. Okay, and then I'm also going to be taking this serum right here. This is the First Aid Beauty dry oil, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, thumbs up this video if you guys want to see a nighttime routine. So this is it, you guys. Alright guys, so I obviously took my ponytail down, so now I'm just gonna do like a tight low ponytail. I'm gonna take like this little thing so that we don't get any makeup on. Alright, so now that we're done with that, I'm gonna take off my lashes. Like I said, let me know down on the comments if you guys want to see a like skincare slash nighttime routine. When I do looks like this, like very like dark eyeliner, the whole shabam, I always like to take my Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover. This, you guys, like literally like instantly, like the name of it says it all. And I'm gonna be taking this little pad right here, and then all I'm gonna do is like, how like insane is that? And then I'm gonna obviously take off the eyeliner. This is only when I do like looks like this, like very dramatic looks with wings. Alright, so now that we look pretty horrible right now at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Dermalogica pre-cleansing balm, which is this one right here. It's so bomb. This balm is so bomb. But it's really good, especially to take off like your whole entire face makeup. I really like it for that. So what I'm gonna do is obviously take some. This is quite a lot. Alright, so here we have it. And what I'm gonna do is just gently rub this, oh it smells so good too, on the skin. So I do recommend, I look insane, I know, but I do recommend getting a wet towel. Right now I don't have one, like I don't have a clean one, so I'm just gonna take like a makeup wipe, and what I'm gonna do is just start to take this off. Look how instant that just takes off the makeup. It's a really good balm for this, as you guys can tell. It's amazing. So we're done with that. I'm gonna go quickly and rinse my face. I always like to do that because obviously I feel like I have makeup still. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face really quick, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm done with cleaning the face. Fresh face, right? So now that we have that good to go, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my toner. This is the Pixi Glow Tonic Toner. I did use the Ole Hendrickson toner, but right now I ran out of it, so I'm just gonna use this one. And honestly, it's really good, but I feel like it's making me break out a little. I don't know if it's this or this new sunscreen that I'm using, but look, it's still dirty. I always do both sides, this side and this side. Like, look how freaking dirty that is. Dirty. The other side is pretty dirty too. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my fresh black tea kombucha facial essence. You guys, if y'all don't own an essence, you guys need to go buy one right now, because essence are so good for your skin, especially this one. This one is actually great for like pollution out, but I'm gonna take a little bit of this. But what I do is I press this essence into my face like this, and honestly, like, I love the feeling of this. And when it's drying, oh, it just feels like a spa. And I go like this too. Oh my god, you guys, I swear by this product. It's one of the best products I've ever used, and I'll talk more about it in my video, in my skincare, nighttime skincare routine. But this is the Dermalogica Clear Start Breakout Cleanser Booster. When I tell you guys, this will get rid of your zits. Like, it will get rid of your zits. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, this is magic. But what I do is I apply it wherever I break out, or like any future breakouts, or any like breakouts that I had in the past, which right here on the sides of my face, I don't know why I break out so much there. And I do have a little breakout here, like a little rash actually. Only on my breakouts. I don't do it all over my face because, you know, I don't need it. So now I'm going to be taking my First Aid Beauty Dry Oil. I put three drops, and then I just kind of go like this, kind of warm it up on my hands, and then boom, 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 boom. Like that. And that, I mean, look at that. Doesn't your face just look so glowy from within? And then now I'm going to take my retinol eye cream from Pixi. All I do is just add some right here. A little bit goes a long way. And I'm gonna like pat it in too. Alright, so now with my face cream. You guys, I feel like face creams, I cannot stress this enough, like face creams are so important in your nighttime routine to me. And right now I've been loving the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I know this is like a very expensive product, but honestly, like, it's so darn good. But look, I'm already done with this. I'm already done, so I need a new one. Charlotte Tilbury, hit your girl up. Just apply some of that. Pretty much good to go. But the last thing I do with like my face, and then we move on to like my lip scrub, I take this Neutrogena Radiant Setting Spray. I know it's a setting spray, but I like it. Like, I really like it. But I just do like spritz of it, like that. That's all. And so now I'm gonna do my lips. And I love taking my fresh Sugar Lip Polish lip scrub. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, actually a lot. My lips need it. And what I do is I scrub my lips. I'm like rough with my lips, you guys. I know it's really bad to do it, but what can I do? I can't help it. I'm like also rough like on the sides. And then I'm just gonna get rid of it. You can get rid of it with like dry pads, but this is what I got right now. Alright, so now all I'm gonna do, I know this is so like random, very random, but I curl my eyelashes every single time I go to sleep. When I wake up, I feel like pretty, if that makes sense. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is take a spoolie and then take my castor oil. I'm just gonna dip a little bit in. And then all I'm gonna do is kind of like massage this on my eyelashes. If you're not doing this, sis, like, you need to start, because this is so good for eyelash growth, eyebrow growth, especially if, you know, you have no lashes like me and no eyebrows like me. I do recommend doing this. But this is what I pretty much do. I just massage it. And sometimes when I feel a little extra, what I do is get a little bit on it and then on my finger, and then I just kind of like roll and then massage it into the root of my eyelash. What I also do is I take this spoolie and I also do it on my bottom lashes, because obviously if you want your like top lashes to grow, you want your bottom lashes to grow too. So that's pretty much it. And now my lip balm. I really love this lip balm from Bobbi Brown. This is the extra tint lip balm, and it does leave like a really beautiful tint, kind of like a rosy kind of tint. But yeah, you guys, we're done. We are done with getting unready with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really had fun making it. Like, I don't do videos like this, so it was really fun to do one. If you did too, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you guys want more videos like this in the future. I will be sure to do videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching my Get Unready With Me video / skincare mini routine. Like I said, if you guys want to see like full-on skincare nighttime routine, please leave a comment or simply just press the thumbs up button, and that will just let me know that you guys want to see a video of that. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.